place I'm at today needs no introduction.
Clean and free destination for family fun. RV access and 3 custom trains. Maximize fees for Hershey Park Value.
Driving the roads on my way to get here, I found roads like Sweet Street and Chocolate Boulevard. I thought that was very fitting for this town. Excuse me there, my good man. Are you giving away free chocolate?
Oh, well, it's for my trick-or-treaters, but if you would like one, sir, it's a very bone-tastic trick-or-treat.
Bone-tastic.
Bone-tastic. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Excuse me? Does that say what I think it says? Even though you can get into the park for free and a lot of things are free here, it still costs to do some of the things I wanted to do. Like for instance, to build your own candy bar, it's $30. And to go ride the rides, $90. You gotta be very careful when you pull that lever because tons of candy falls out and might be weighing more than you anticipated. 5 pounds. 1 pound. 2 pounds. I'm not like a huge fan of Hershey chocolate, but this is the more gourmet upscale stuff, kind of more to my taste. Right? Funny how I say I have gourmet taste, but I'm not willing to pay $30 to build my own candy bar. Traveler's tree. It's so neat that they got like a jungle in this building. This part I came across is very cool looking, exclusive to only this building flavors. Let's check them out. If you were here, which of the 6 flavors would you want to try? Leave a comment.
I don't think you can do this anywhere else.
No. Whoa, look, you can personalize your Hershey bar and put your photo on it. Wow, that would be kind of cool. Wow, plant-based Reese's and plant-based Hershey bars.
It's rare, but it does happen.
The sweetest place on earth. Well, that concludes my experience at Hershey World. Like I said, a lot of things to do there are free, although some of the things I wanted to do cost way too much. I did not leave there empty-handed, however. I did pick up some of these, of course, because I ain't seen nothing like that before. I'm absolutely always into trying things I've never had before, so that's why I got these as well. In total, I only spent $15, so not too bad. Had a great time. It was worth the trip. I highly recommend going to Hershey World's The Sweetest Place on Earth.